Page 25, Too Hot, the bottom of the page. Again, we're reading this bass clef, these notes that we've been using, the F, the G, and the A. And this time they're not connected, they're disconnected. So I'll look it over. It's one line long with a repeat sign. The clef sign is bass clef. 4/4 time signature. We've had all this before. And I see a bunch of quarter notes and quarter rests. Okay. There's staccatos there, but I don't worry too much about articulation at this point. I can deal with that later. Right now, I'm just connecting everything I can. So the hand is here, because fourth finger's on this F, that puts the hand here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You get the idea? Okay. Then I add the articulation, and no hesitations, by the way, but the staccatos, I'm flexing at the wrist, and these are short. I'm on the key, and I'm just bouncing off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And that last measure, you don't have time to put your hand on the key each time. You're doing this, but it's a small motion. Don't come way up. That's all. If you do have time to put your hand on the key, then do that. Put it on there. And then the dynamics is loud. Plenty of weight. 2, 2. Rest. This reminds me of when I was little and taking piano lessons, and the teacher, really nice old lady, taught me staccatos, and she would say we used to call these hot stove notes, staccatos, because if you were to touch a hot stove, you would not touch it very long. You'd get off. You'd, ow, hot. So some people actually do call these hot stove notes, just short. Yeah, whatever. Let's play this together slowly, just to check to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. And I'm not going to do the loud, but I will do the staccato. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, rest, 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 rest. Repeat. Rest, 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 rest. Now there's a duet for this at the bottom. I'd like to do that. And we'll speed this up a little more closely. This is like a march tempo. Now let's play it together. Now remember to repeat it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.